मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा दो, मैं तुम्हारे जैसा इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती हूँ। मुझे भी इंग्लिश बोलना है, सिखा दो मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना। Learner have such question and one has asked to me. So hello friend, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Nisha. How are you? I hope you all would be fantastic and great. My dear friend, learner have such question and one has asked to me, but I want to say, and my answer is that no, I can't do it. Even no one can do. कोई आपको इंग्लिश नहीं सिखा सकता है, कोई आपको इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं सिखा सकता है। वी कैन ओनली टेल यू, सजेस्ट यू एंड शो यू द पाथ, हाउ यू हैव टू डू, what you have to do. We can tell only tips and techniques, but this language needed a lot of things: continuous practice, so much hard work, listening, speaking, so many practice, and then it will come true. So except you, no one can do it. आपको छोड़कर आपको इंग्लिश बोलना कोई नहीं सिखा सकता है। हर कोई आपको जो है टेक्निक सजेस्ट कर सकता है, वे बता सकता है, टिप्स दे सकता है या एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकता है, हाउ दे हैव लर्न। बट आप खुद को इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा सकते हैं, केवल आप, बिकॉज दिस लैंग्वेज नीड्स सो मेनी थिंग्स: practice of listening, practice of speaking, practice of reading, so many things: time, hard work, practice, continuous practice, patience, because this is the time taking process, it takes time. So who will give? You will give. आपको देना है और आपको इंग्लिश बोलना है, तो आप दोगे। और जब आप दोगे, टाइम दोगे, प्रैक्टिस दोगे, आप सारे इशू जो है फेस करेंगे, चैलेंजेस फेस करेंगे, वर्ड मीनिंग लर्न करेंगे, तब जाके ये जो है आप सीख सकते हैं, आप बोल सकते हैं। तो डोंट से दैट मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा दो। नो, ओनली आस्क द tips and technique that tell me how I can do it. How I can do it. Say in this way, because you have to do. And until you do, you cannot, complete it. You cannot get it. जब तक आप नहीं कर सकते हैं, तब तक ये आप सीख नहीं सकते हैं। तो ये बोलिए कि हाउ आई कैन डू इट, टेल मी, और खुद रेडी होइए। कोई आपको इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा नहीं सकता है, कोई भी आपको टिप्स टेक्निक बता सकता है, बट सिखा नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि वो प्रैक्टिस, वो हार्डवर्क, वो आपको खुद करना है। कंटिन्यूअस प्रैक्टिस वो खुद करना है, तब जाके आप बोल पाएंगे। एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई एम सेइंग दैट नो, आई कांट डू इट। Except you, no one can do for you. Everyone can tell tips, technique, and show you path how you can do. So instead of saying that मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा दीजिए, say tell me tips and technique how I can do it, how I can speak this language. Okay, and most important thing, anyone can do it. Anyone can speak this language. It has proved. Now you can see so many examples through the social media, so many people from different background. They are able to speak. They are speaking. Why you can't? You can also do. And there are lots of tips, technique, and so many videos are available on YouTube how to speak English. Just you have to search and find which one is best for you and follow and do your practice, continuous practice, give your hard work and be serious for this. Then definitely you can do it, my dear friend. So anyone can do it. It's not impossible, but it possible. That's why I am able to speak this language. How it possible for me? Because I gave my hard work, I did practice, and till I do. That's why it possible, and it's getting possible day by day. So it will be for you as well. So my dear friend, instead of saying that मुझे सिखा दीजिए, say how I can do it. And initially you will face the difficulties, some issues, and that is obvious, you have to face. Then you can learn, then you can achieve it. Without those facing those things you can't. But it is not impossible. It is possible, you can do it. Anyone can do. Keep doing. If you want to speak this language, keep listening, keep reading, and watch conversation video, storytelling, work on grammar, work on these things, and you will see, these things cannot be happen in overnight, but it will happen gradually. You will see the benefit, you will see the result, progress in you gradually, with little step, with little practice. Then you can see it. So first of all, understand that this is not going to be happen in one night. You have to give so many time behind it, like 6 months, 1 year, more than that. But not for speaking. May you speak, start speaking after 2 and 3 months. You can start, but there are so many levels: beginners, intermediate, fluent, advanced. So for achieving those, it will take time, but for speaking you can learn after 3 and 4 month. You can learn it. Okay, but how it will be possible? With continuous practice of listening, reading, speaking, and learning day by day. Someone has asked this things to me. Then I thought, let's make this video, because oftenly learners have such a question. They say, they think that सी कैन स्पीक, ही कैन स्पीक, वो बोल सकते हैं तो हमें भी सिखा सकते हैं। नहीं, हम लोग केवल आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकते हैं, बट जो भी हार्ड वर्क करना है वो आपको करना है। इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए आपको बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करना है, सुनने की प्रैक्टिस करना है, रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करना है, सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम करने की प्रैक्टिस करना है, वर्ड्स की प्रैक्टिस करना है। वो आप करोगे तभी जाके होगा। और डेली करने की ज़रूरत है, टाइम देने की भी ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें जो है एक दिन में नहीं होने वाला है। इसके पीछे जो है बहुत सारा टाइम लगता है, और वो आप दोगे तभी आपको ये चीज़ होगा। So really you can do, my dear friend. Just start taking a step. Definitely you will learn. So now I hope you understood, and you, instead of asking in this way, you will take a step. You will be serious and do practice, and definitely speak this language sooner or later. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.